So I wanted to see, I've been seeing Spencer Meacham at Buildapreneur, and he's talking about this no-face video hack, which is about Amazon and the influencer program. And I was denied access to it before, but in this new video, he's saying that you can be a micro-influencer with like 1,000 followers and be able to get into this program, and I'll explain a little bit more of what it's about. So I have a different email for this account than my other YouTube account. So here I've bought literally thousands and thousands of products, and I've reviewed a lot of them. So what I'm going to do is try to sign in with this account and link to my YouTube account, because you do need to be an influencer. So all you have to do is Google the Amazon influencer program, and we're going to say sign up for it. Now if this part doesn't work, I'm going to start a separate account, but it should, because what I'm going to do is sign in to my YouTube channel here, which I have almost 2,000 subscribers right now. I have others with more, but I want to be able to do this with this account that's more closely related. So what I want to do is sign up, but as you can see, if we look down through here, I don't know why it's saying build your storefront, but I'm not. I am literally, I have Amazon Oz. I'm in the t-shirt services they have. I'm an Amazon Prime member. I'm a business member. I use all of their products literally, and I was still denied. So I'm either going to prove or disprove this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click sign up. Now I can use this existing account, or I can create a new account, but I want to be able to use all my product reviews and all my shopping history, because I actually have those products and I'm listed as having bought them, and it's literally in the thousands. I'd have to go back and find a lot of them, but I can review them. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to use my YouTube, because simply put, I don't use Instagram. I use Facebook, but it's only, I don't have followers. I just use this for my family and friends and a few business pages that don't have thousands of followers. And at first it makes you think that you can join, but you have to have a lot. So we're going to see how much it actually takes to get this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do YouTube. And since I'm on my other computer, I'm going to sign up with YouTube. And this is this channel, this brand account. Amazon influencer wants to access your Google account. That is fine. I'm going to allow it. Now it should see that I have see if it shows here. These 1,800 followers. So we're going to see if this lets them do this. So as you can see, we appreciate your interest in the Amazon influencer program. Your account does not meet the eligibility. Learn about the Amazon Associates program. So that is bullcrap. So 2,000 subscribers is not enough. That's kinda ridiculous. Okay, yeah, they just were redirecting me back to the Amazon Associates. So we appreciate your interest in the Amazon Influencer Program. What your account does not meet. It doesn't tell you what the eligibility requirements are. So I'm going to go back on this video and leave a comment, and I'm going to record the comment for you right now.
My name's Brian, and I just wrote a brand new 56-page book called
Okay, I want to get past this so I can skip the ads.
If you're looking to learn
Okay. Now, I did leave a comment before. So I'm going to filter by newest. Okay. See, this was from my other account. Even I had 56 subscribers. I applied. Yeah. So right now, I'm going to put in a comment. Almost 2,000. And was immediately denied. But I'm the same guy. Tested and busted. So I'll take this, copy it, reply. Micro influencers. Nope. Nope, you must have to have a pretty huge following, probably at least 10,000. And for them to immediately deny me based on that. Immediately deny me. So I'm going to comment. And what I'm going to do is go back. I'm going to start a new account. We're going to create a new account and see what that does. So I'm going to pause while I create my new account. Okay, so I created the account, entered my other phone number, and did the one-time passcode to my email and my phone. Where you have the most. So what I want to do is look at the operating agreement real quick before I sign up. That's Amazon Associates. Conditions of use. Last update is September 14th. Okay. I'm going to do Control F. And we're going to do subscribers. Nothing on this page. Nothing on this page whatsoever. So, Amazon Influencer Program. Requirements. What do you need to be an Amazon influencer? Have active YouTube, good amount of follower base, around 20,000 followers. Need to engage with the viewers, need to post content that is relevant to products being sold on Amazon. Okay. This is hard to get in here. Anyone could sign up to be an Amazon influencer, but it's a bit harder to be that other than just an associate. You either apply to be an Amazon influencer or get invited to be one. To qualify, you must have an active Facebook. How many followers do you need? Continue with Instagram. I guess I could buy an Instagram account. Yeah, you can buy an influencer account. Around 20,000. I'm gonna edit this. Edit. The requirements are about 20,000 per Amazon. Oops, hit caps lock. Save. So we're going to hit sign up. YouTube, I don't know how you'd have an Instagram with or TikTok with reviews on it. So, well, thanks for applying for interest, blah, 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 blah. So, it's not so easy. So, I'm going to post this video right alongside his, tagging him in it. Builderpreneur. No, I'm not going to do that. But, Builderpreneur makes it sound easier than it is. That much is true. It's not that easy. Just because he can do it and he has 161,000 followers, none of his views. He's all about affiliate marketing. None of his videos are about any Amazon products whatsoever. Whatsoever. You're welcome, Spencer, for the free promotion here. Too bad you can search. Let's say Amazon product review. Nothing. I need to go to search. Oh, it's just about No Face Amazon. Nope, nope, nothing talking about anything that he's bought. Nope, 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 nope. So that tells you right there that it's just a matter of favoritism and you got to have a big enough following. And so that kind of tells you. This one, sorry sir, is bunk. You already got to be successful to be successful. So I'm going to tag you in this, even though you're not supposed to. So that didn't work. And now I'm going to delete this account because I do not want an Amazon account with this. So hopefully, if you're looking to be an Amazon influencer, make sure that you have 20,000 followers or roundabout, or have a channel that is ingrained into the Amazon followers. I mean, all I would really have to do is build a YouTube channel around Amazon products, which I'm doing anyway, and then buy subscribers and just call it good, and then get into the program. Or I'll just go buy an Instagram account that is about Amazon. So it's really disheartening. This just to me, this does a disservice to all the people that are trying to make money out there, especially in my niche, the no face video hack. That is my niche. That is what I want to help people achieve. And that's just not fair to make it sound like it's that easy when it's not, and you're just doing it for views. And yes, Spencer, this directly at you. You're #1 ClickFunnels affiliate. You're building a YouTube now. I can appreciate that. I'm sure a lot of people appreciate the influencer program, but it's disheartening to people when you don't tell the whole truth. You only say in the video that it's a bit harder. Just like this guy where it's a bit harder. All you did was Google that and say that it's a bit harder. No, it's a lot harder. Especially when Amazon itself doesn't give the statistics. Let's just see, who's an influencer? You must have an account to qualify. Influencer content will always have the name. No. How can I join? So, nah, it's a bunch of junk. But I'm going to teach you a way where you can upload videos to Amazon, and there are ways you can use Amazon. And because they denied me, I'm going to show you how to do this. This is my secret way. So stay tuned, and especially in my new hidden YouTube course, I'm going to let it all hang out.